Importer margin can disappear before the compressor reaches your warehouse. Which costs are taking it? And what can you control before shipment? Factory direct sourcing can remove an unnecessary trading layer, but that alone does not protect margin. Importers need 3 controls: a landed cost map, configuration discipline, and a cash flow limit. First, map the full landed cost before you quote. Start with equipment price, then add freight, applicable duties and taxes, customs handling, inland delivery, financing and currency exposure. Add customer acquisition, warranty handling, service labor, and planned spare parts. The price spread is only a starting number. Margin remains after completing and supporting the sale. Second, freeze the correct specification before production and shipment. Confirm airflow, working pressure, voltage and frequency, duty pattern, air treatment, ambient conditions, and installation constraints. A wrong voltage or undersized system can trigger replacement parts, repeat freight, storage, delays, and a difficult customer conversation. Direct technical communication can shorten verification, but the application, documents, warranty responsibilities, and final terms still need case-by-case confirmation. Third, set a cash flow limit for every order. Unsold inventory ties up cash and takes warehouse space. A low unit price does not remove those costs. Tie the first mix to verified customer applications. Compare order quantity with realistic demand, payment timing, and the spare parts obligation you can support. More units can lower one cost while increasing another risk. Use a margin bridge, selling price minus landed equipment cost, financing and inventory time, sales effort, configuration, risk, warranty exposure, service work, and spare parts commitments. Run a downside case for freight or currency movement. No supplier can guarantee the final margin, but disciplined inputs make the risk visible before cash is committed. If you import industrial equipment and want to evaluate factory direct cooperation, send your country, business type, industry experience, current brands or products, target customers, and service capability.